Asheboro, North Carolina car show called Pigs and Pedals. Cute little show.
I'll talk to you later.
Neat little town. Great people. Little food action going on. This part of the show. The rest of the event is down there, food courts and stuff like that. Some of the local color. Thought we would stop by here and have a look-see.
The cars, honey, the cars.
Oh, damn, I was just going to read it. She had a pet like that when she was little. Busted. That is pretty. Pretty big. Look how long it is.
Yeah, yeah. Did you get a picture of the ones that you thought Lex would really...
Yeah. I'm kind of doing like a little video. I'll put it on YouTube. I'll do it right here. There's a nice little shortcut right through here.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah, just right through the buildings there. A lot of nice cars that you don't see. I've never seen, that's for sure. It's kind of cool, you know.
Well, that's different for you. Yeah.
For me, you see one, you see them all. That's just a pretty Victoria right there. Just the two-tone and the trim brake is really cool.
That's pretty neat.
Yeah.
What would you call that? Like a grape lung?
Yeah. I don't know the fire extinguishers, but I got mine out. Part of the deal here, you have to have a fire extinguisher, which is a great idea because I have seen many fires.
Yeah, I think that's super.
I've seen many fires. I got my little one out here. They might spit on a fire. Right? Just in case, I guess. Okay, and this is the, this was called what again? Pigs and Pedals.
Yes.
And the town is?
Asheboro.
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 Great little car show. Great people. Great. So different than from California. So different. No crowds. No assholes.